Hello, my name is Prem Ranjan. I'm a fellow at Alpha AI. Today I'm going to take you through a simple dashboard that I have created using MS Excel using some of its feature. This dashboard is going to present a data story on the Grand Slams. The data considered here is for the period of 1970 to 2017. The Grand Slams are also called the majors. These are the four most famous tennis tournaments in the world. It starts with Australian Open in the early Januaries. Then it moves on to Roland Garros or the French Open in the month of May and June, followed by Wimbledon in July, and the year is ended with US Open in the month of August and September. Each of these tournaments are characterized by their own kind of courts that are used to play the game. Australian Open and US Open uses hard court. French Open or the Roland Garros are the famous for red clay courts. Wimbledon, obviously, for the grass courts. Of these four tournaments, Wimbledon is the oldest, which started long back in 1877. These four tournaments bring the most media and public attention, the ranking points, and obviously the prize money. Let's dive into the dashboard. In this dashboard, I'm using the features of MS Excel such as macros, charts, illustrations, grouping, hiding, and unhiding features. Using this simple feature of MS Excel, anyone can build impressive dashboards and present their own data story or the insight. If you see on this dashboard, if you click on Australian Open, it will show you a brief history of Australian Open, the logo. It will also show the number of games present on grass or the hard court, the top 5 players, and it also shows you the picture of the best player in this particular tournament, which is, in this case, is Novak Djokovic. If you move on to Roland Garros, which is the French Open, the green arrow will show which button is currently active. This will again show you the brief history of French Open with Rafael Nadal as the best player. Moving on to US Open. Here you can see Pete Sampras is the best player. And again, the same level of details are presented on the dashboard. Last but not the least is Wimbledon. And you can see Roger Federer is the most successful player in this tournament. And the dashboard also shows you most of the game played for Wimbledon is on grass courts. With that, I have come to an end of my presentation. Hope you liked it. Please feel free to like, share, and comment on this video. See you next time in my next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.